Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I am installing this wig from, where is it from? I don't need to keep you waiting for so long. The wig is from So Good Hair. All those goodies came with the hair, even a bonnet. Now about the hair, this is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It's the most popular wig recently because it can be installed without any glue. Perfect for those who want to switch up their looks or protect their edges, like me. For this wig, the lace is 5 by 5 inches, cannot cover whole hairline. So in order to hide the machine made whipped edge, they update the machine part. You can do a hair return so that the wig can be hidden very well. Nothing better than a natural look for HD lace is thin and soft, very easy to melt to any skin tone. Also, they do lightly pre-plucked and bleached hairline, but you can pluck it more if you want, like as you can see me do. The hair was pre-plucked, but I decided to pluck it the more. If you're new to my channel, I don't do this all the time, but I decided to do this on this wig. It's 5 by 5, like I said, but I did some plucking, of which you can see I'm not a professional. I'm trying my best. Maybe this is not the best way to do it, but I'm happy with the outcome of it. I did some plucking. It takes little of my time, but I am so satisfied. So if you want to get this wig, there's a discount code CC10. When you use that, you're going to get 10% off your purchase. So in case if you're interested in this unit, I'm going to leave the link, all the details about it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check in case if you are interested. I went for center part. You guys know I'm a lover. I'm a lover when it comes to center part. I'm a lover of center part. Being corner, side, they are not for me. Not for me because the shape of my face, I have this kind of round Chinese face. So I believe that is center part that goes with my face. So that is why I always go for center part, if you know. Okay, in case you don't know, you know today. I did a lot of plucking, but it came pre-plucked. But if you don't want to do this, you can just keep that. Look at a lot of hair that came from it. Yeah. So I tried this board cap method. I don't do this all the time. I just decided to do this. I said, let me try it. I did it in one video. I said, let me try it for the second time, but I use gel. You guys know, because of my edges, I stay away from glue. So I use gel what's the word? I use gel to glue the, what's the word? My gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't remember the word. So That is it. You guys understand what I'm trying to say. So, and I after that I just cut off the excess cap wig. Is it the wig cap from it? Ah! Then that's the wig. You see, it's 5 by 5. Yeah, that's the adjustable strap they added to it. Is detachable, you can remove it, but it's better when you use the tool. In case if you don't want to glue the wig down, you can use the tool to hold it firmly. I like wigs like this because on a day that you are hurry just to go out, you just snatch this on. You don't need to do much, go through all those glue and all that. You just snatch this on and you're good to go.
I know that I messed up, wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that.
So I use a wax stick on the hair.
Sorry doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through.
As you can see, I'm not satisfied with the plucking. I think I did a little plucking again. You guys are going to see that because looking at it, I wasn't really satisfied. How will I put it? So after that, I cut out the excess lace from it.
Can I live with myself if you call it quits? I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I...
So I did separate little from the hairline. This is just for me to create little baby hairs, of which I use a little trick that you guys are going to see. I did not cut the front hair short, and because I wanted it to look very natural, like my natural hair. After that, I did twist little from it because I wasn't really satisfied with the way the front was looking.
Home you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk day.
I twist a lot from this hair. Unlike me that never twist hair, I just install them like that. You can see it's okay. So I did something off camera. I use these airbrush legs on the lace. That is why you saw that the color has changed. It's more like my skin tone right now. You can see it. I use mousse to slay the baby hairs. I did not trim the baby hairs. I just did it like that, left it long, and you're going to see I coiled it.
I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again.
I tied it down so that it can really flat the more, and after that I just coiled it, and that is it. So gorgeous, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're if you are interested, don't hesitate to check that out. And please, before you go, if you like it here, subscribe, join the gorgeous family, and if you do, please don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me when I upload. And if you like this tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate. So I just added some oil to the hair. You can skip that. The hair is shiny already without adding oil. I just decided to do this, and I coiled it little, very little, because I don't want to. I did this too. I forgot. I kind of shop. Is it shop they call it? The side of the wig. It did not really pronounce that I did that, but it adds a little change to the look of the hair. I don't normally do all this. I really did a lot of things in this wig installation, this hair installation. Okay. So after this, I did little coiling, and that was all. So that is it, gorgeous. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, remain gorgeous, like I always say. Alright guys, bye. Make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to hit on that like button. Okay, thank you for supporting your girl. Bye.
Y la santa canta, todo el mundo de pie. Muévete con la campana. Muévete, mami bonita. Muévete hasta mañana. Muévete, mi rumberrita. Muévete con la campana. Muévete, mami bonita. Muévete hasta mañana. Muévete, mi rumberrita. Mami, muévete, que tu avalado te ha dicho otra vez. Que tu mala santa ya sabe cómo es, cómo es. Y la santa canta, todo el mundo de pie. Mami, muévete, que tu avalado te ha dicho otra vez. Que tu mala santa ya sabe cómo es, cómo es. Y la santa canta, todo el mundo de pie.
I got it on me right now. I mean, a strong point that it is. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. I said pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, we get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do